ship's crane collapsed, 2 dockers killed, Indonesia. Crane of general cargo ship BISTARI 8 collapsed during cargo operation at Pontianak, western Kalimantan, Indonesia, on April 4, reportedly while trying to lift 2 heavy weight. 2 dockers were killed, one instantly by collapsed crane, another one being mortally wounded while trying to escape, in a hospital. Quite recently, in February this year, similar accident took place at Dwikora Port, Pontianak, but luckily, without casualties or injures. General cargo ship BISTARI 8, IMO 8,410,926, DWT 1800, built 1984, flag Indonesia, manager BISTARI GRUP Jakarta.